Sydney Kin's Major Assessment 1, Promoting Student Choice, Design Your Own Project. This is the Area and Perimeter Project. These are the instructions given to students. You will be building a classroom. You have a 25-foot by 10-foot classroom. You will construct this on a piece of graph poster board by hand or on a computer software. The classroom must be set up for 24 students, one teacher, and have all 3 storage items. The teacher must be able to fully open and walk to any storage item. There must be a clear walkway to the door from any location for a fire escape plan. This is the items catalog that students will be choosing from. The scale is 1 box by 1 square foot. The student desk and chair, which holds 1 student, is a 2 by 3 foot area. Rectangular table and chair, 2 students, a 2 by 4 foot space. Teacher desk and chair, which holds 1 teacher, a 3 by 5 space. Cabinets, 3 by 2 space. Bookshelves, 2 by 2 space. And filing cabinet, 3 by 1 space. Don't forget that all items must have the dimensions labeled and area calculated with units. And don't forget that students will have exactly 1 week to complete the project, with some time in class and some time outside of class, but this also could vary from student to student. The students will be graded on 5 topics: 1, not sufficient; 2, below sufficient; 3, sufficient; 4, above sufficient. Calculations, labeling of information, room requirements, neatness, and time. If a student receives 100, that will be a 20 out of 20. For calculations, they will be graded on if their calculations are correct. Labeling the information, if their items are labeled with item, dimension, and square foot. Room requirements, if it fits all of the requirements of 24 students, 1 teacher. Storage items with full use and walkways. The neatness of the project, and if the project is done on time. This is a student example of a 10-foot by 25-foot classroom. This student decided to do the project virtually. The student decided to put 12 tables, 6 on each side, to create 2 rows of 6, which seats 24 students, because each table seats 2 students. They then decided to put all of these storage items on one side of the classroom, with the teacher desk in the other side in the corner. They then put all of the dimensions on the piece of graph paper, with the areas of each item and the total area on the side for neatness purposes. The goals and objectives of this project is that students will be able to visualize how math is used in the real world by constructing the classroom. Students will be able to use the equations taught in class, and students will be able to be creative in a math environment. Thank you.